Hello everyone, welcome to this video guide. I will share with you step by step how to book a ticket online in TuiFly. So follow me in this video guide. First, go to Google, search for TuiFly, click the first website there for the official website. You will see this page. From this page, if you want to book a ticket, choose your depart. Choose the depart from here, for example, this one. Choose the arrival, this one, and then click on the set for depart, set for return, for example, this one, and then set for data for, as you can see here, for the arrival or return, and then click on the search. You can add the adult. So friends, after that, you will see all details from your flight ticket, as you can see here. Make sure you can add, choose English language to better result. As you can see here, choose the language. After that, click on select all this option, the wall for the wall, as you can see here. Select all the wall, and then you can select here, as you can see here, and then click on continue or complete your details, as you can see here. Complete the details and then pay this payment. From here you can pay. This is how you can do, friends. You should be logged in your accounts to get access for payments. So this is how you can do, friends. Choose your details, depart, arrival, and then complete all process here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this.